So as previously mentioned, this is how we change gear. We're in neutral now. To move into first gear to set off, we would pull the clutch in, we would twist the grip down, and then we would, as we increase the throttle a little bit, we would let the clutch out to a biting point just like on a car. A bit more throttle, let the clutch go a bit further, and we're away. And now in this case we're going up through the gears, second, third, fourth. This is the fourth.
We're in neutral. To set off, it's clutch lever in, moving to first gear. We see the one line up with the little mark I've got on my headset. Bit of throttle, looking forward. Now you want to listen to the engine, so let the clutch out. Now here there, just starting to bog down a little bit, that's your biting point. As that happens, just give it a bit more throttle, then let this lever out a little bit more. So we'll go through that again. Lever out until it bogs down, bit more throttle, let the lever out gently, and we're away. Right, we'll turn around and do that one more time. So, clutch lever in, twist to first gear, find the biting point as the engine bogs down, bit more throttle, looking where you're going, don't look down, just listen to the engine, bit more throttle, let the lever slip out nice and easy. And we're away. Into second, lever in, close the throttle, twist past neutral, bit of throttle as you let the lever out. Now letting the lever out past that biting point is what we call slipping the clutch. And again, just as we come to a stop, into first gear. It's a bit awkward on a bend, always pointing the bike at a slight angle the way you're going to go rather than doing a 90-degree turn. Find the biting point, bit more throttle, slip that clutch lever, straight to second. Same again in the third, and same again in the fourth. That's it. Now as we're coming down, as we're slowing down to a bend, right, we're slowing down, we'll just close the throttle, clutch lever in, into third gear, let the clutch lever out, and accelerate through the bend, and then the fourth. Oh no. Right, we're slowing down, so top tip is to go down through the gears. Clutch in, into first. Be great if you can stop, but sometimes you have to stop. So we're in first gear with the clutch lever in. Clutch lever out, slipping point, more throttle. In the second. Same again in the third. And same again in the fourth. So that's how to change gear on a Lambretta Scooter. Obviously the automatic ones, there's no gears, it's a lot easier. Not so much fun though. Right, slowing down, close the throttle, apply a little bit of front brake if you need to, lever in, clutch lever in, into third, let it back out, same again into second, good look around. Into third. We're in neutral, clutch lever in, into first gear, find the biting point. Hear the engine bog down, the bike wants to move forward, increase the throttle, slip the clutch lever out, nice and gently. Come to a stop, rear brake, pull the clutch lever in. Same again. Bit of throttle, you can feel the bike moving forward, then slip the lever out as you increase the throttle. Clutch lever in, close throttle, twist past neutral in a second. And then this lever action can be nice and fast from then on. So we'll go to third. Just remember, we close the throttle, change gear, open the throttle. As we're slowing down at speed, we'll use the front brake. That's the best brake usually. No throttle, just changing to third gear. accelerate through the bend. Now into fourth, so close throttle, lever, twist. Let the lever out, increase the speed of the engine by rotating the throttle. Alright, as we're slowing down, we'll close the throttle, we'll pull the lever in, engage third gear, leave the lever out. Same again as we're slowing down, a bit of rear brake, lever in, engage second, lever out, bit of throttle. Safe to move around the roundabout. We can just slip that throttle a little bit. And the third. Fourth. As we're slowing down, close the throttle, cover the brakes if you need to, lever in, twist back into third, lever out, a bit more braking, lever in, second, and lever in just as we're stopping in the first gear. First gear is quite difficult on the scooters because your wrist is quite bent, and operating the lever can be a bit tricky. Thankfully the lever operation on this is nice and smooth, nice and easy. So we're set in first gear. Have a look around, increase the revs, let the clutch lever out gently, slip it past that biting point. Then we'll change in second, go past neutral, let the lever out nice and gently but whilst increasing the throttle. Third, things happen a lot quicker. There's no need to find that biting point in third, you just change gear. Coming to fourth, so we're going to close the throttle, pull the lever in the same time, and then twist the hand grip. Let the lever out as we increase the throttle. Slowing down, close the throttle, bit of braking, into third gear, clutch out, into second gear, clutch out, go around the corner. Now at slow speed you could just slip the clutch on the biting point a little bit if you're more comfortable, like this, just on the biting point, so you can rev it and the clutch will keep a nice constant speed. And that's it. Thanks for watching, see you next time and keep the faith.